On 5x150 wheel spacers, say for Dodge Challenger, make sure you get the high-quality set and install them correctly. Countless successful cases prove that 5x150 wheel spacers are safe for Dodge Challenger. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no consent. Many tire technicians will agree that proper 5x150 wheel spacers will be a good idea to fit wider wheels and encounter clearance issues. During the installation, use a good torque wrench to torque the wheel legs to the correct foot pounds of process. This ensures the spacers are properly mounted on wheels. As long as you use high-quality ones and install them properly, it is very safe to use spacers on wheels for daily driving or off-roading. When it comes to choosing the best spacers on wheels, consider these factors: brand reputation and product warranty, precise fitment for your specific car model, thicknesses that meet your requirements, hub-centric or lug-centric construction, quality of materials and process. Additionally, functions and customer support. On 5x150 wheel spacers stay at high speeds. Yes, it is safe to use spacers on wheel at high speeds. In fact, many people use spacers for racing because of the added traction and grip benefit. Even some famous aftermarket wheels manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. Generally, hub-centric Dodge Challenger wheel spacers ensure that your wheels are properly in-centered and fastened. Get high-quality hub-centric wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals. Then there is nothing to worry about. For connection components like wheel spacers, the higher the precision of the contact phase, the better the spacers will fit. Thus, the safer your driving will be. Particularly, the precision of BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Such precise BONOSS 5x150 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Safety, precision, lightweight, and the best experience are what set apart BONOSS from other spacer manufacturers. A key advantage of BONOSS active cooling wheel spacers is the active cooling feature, distributed in petal shape. These spools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Alright, let's wrap it up. When it comes to using wheel spacers, safety is all about doing it right. With quality components, like those from BONOSS, and a proper installation process, spacers can safely enhance your ride performance and stance. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.